I challenge you and you to a motherfucking drink out.
It's pretty simple concept if you haven't been aware. I want to be alone, I don't want a love affair. Now listen, I go to federal prison. I'm a whole new juicy, no additional competition. No permission. Keep your hands off juicy is now your main mission. Corners, count 'em 4. You picked the wrong shape for your fingers to explore. Mr. Nice Guy, well not anymore. We can be friends, but I'm not your damn whore!
Hey! How are you? Look at this shit, dude. I found my dad's fucking revolver in the bedside drawer, dude. A fucking sick little 5-shooter right here. I warmed it up. I played Russian roulette with my baby brother. Fucking faggot lost. You guys want to play?
Like real bullets?
Yeah, dude. Real shit, dude.
Oh, hey, little wee kid. What do you got there, mate? What do you got there?
It's my bone. Don't touch it. Don't touch my bone. My mom's not home. No. Don't touch my bone. This is my no-no zone. No. My mom's not home. This is my no-no zone.
I hate this year. When will it die? Oh boy, I hope it's soon. I want to cry. Everything is bad, but I'm not mad. I'm just very sad. I've had enough. Got reasons plenty. So say it with me. 2020.
How is he so fucking hot and respectful?
Major label, that's the crow. Nobody does it like we do. Step in my zone and it's bring a motherfucking house down. Come through dressed like Space Ranger. Oh, there's a new sheriff in.
I wanna see you all on your knees. You either wanna be with me or leave me.
Come on, man.
It'll make you work hard, make you spend hard, make you want all of. She's a man.
Do you blame yourself? What? Well, it's quite common in this situation for a patient to feel a kind of guilt. What situation? The accident.
違うなんか忘れてないなんか忘れてないかな二度目はなくてよなくてよってYou are such a wonderful human being! Go to hell! I was being sarcastic. Listen to me carefully. This isn't the end. Next time you won't be so lucky.
Hey, Dazai, what's the plan? What do you mean, what's the plan? With my gift, all I have to do is touch them with one itty-bitty finger.
Dazai!
'Cause I don't care if I lose my mind. I'm already cursed.
What the are you doing, dude?
I'm building mental barriers to try and help cope with my childhood trauma.
I've been a wreck since you changed. Don't let me get in your way. I miss the lies and the pain, the fights that keep us awake. I'm telling you, I miss the bad things, the way you hate me. I miss the scream and the way that you blame me. Miss the phone calls when it's your fault. I miss the late nights, don't miss you at all. I like that kick in the face. Anything chapter to me. I love the way that it hurts. I don't miss you, I miss the misery.
I wanna be the person you do. Dirty mind, dirty mind. Dirty mind, dirty mind, dirty mind. She just wants to fuck me all the time.
Some days you're the only thing I know. Only thing that's burning when the nights grow cold. Can't look away, can't look away. Beg you to stay, yeah. Sometimes you're a stranger in my bed. Don't know if you love me or you want me dead. Push me away, then beg me to stay, yeah. Call me in the morning to apologize. Every little lie gives me butterflies. Something in the way you're looking through my eyes. Don't know if I'm gonna make it out alive. Fight so dirty, but your love so sweet. Talk so pretty, but your heart got teeth. Late night devil, put your hands on me. And never, 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 ever let I can't feel sorry for you.